According to astronomer, a small being revolves around a larger being, like 8 planets orbiting the Sun. According to experts, the Sun is 110 times bigger than the Earth. The diameter of the Sun 865,000 miles. The diameter of the Earth is about 8,000 miles. The Sun is 33,000 times more massive than the Earth. Well, the distance of the Sun from the Earth is 149 million kilometers. All this is the work of an astronomer. I am Manzoor Hussain in Manzoor Discovery Channel with practical proof of creation of the universe. Man has been blindly imitating the solar system from centuries. Let us now prove in the light of our experiment, observation, and Holy Quran that the sun is bigger or the earth. Here are some of the many signs of the doomsday hour. Surah Infitar, verse no 3.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وإذا البحار فجرت
Translation: When the sea will be separated. Surah Al-Takwir, verse no 6.
وإذا البحار سجرت
Translation: When the sea will be stirred. On the day of resurrection, the light of the sun will diminish and sun will be thrown upside down on the earth. It is narrated from Hazrat Ibn Abbas that on the day of resurrection, the sun, moon, and star will be dimmed and thrown into the sea, and then the westerly winds will blow and the sea will catch fire. In this world of the panic, the giants will say, "Why see, why investigate what is happening?" When they come to the shore, they will see that the sea are on fire. The Quran and the Hadith show that the sun is smaller than the earth. Let us now prove in practical whether the earth is big or sun. This is the model of the earth. To understand the model of the earth is divided into two parts by drawing a line between the earth 90 latitude north and 90 latitude south. This middle line is called zero latitude. Along with this, two more letters have been drawn which are located at 23 latitude north and 23 latitude south. On other lines drawn north and south are called longitudes. These letters identify the western and eastern countries. Friends, when the sun is at 0 latitude, 90 latitude north and 90 latitude south, there is a equal hour both sides on 21 March and 21 September. At 90 latitude north and 90 latitude south, the sunlight angle is about 1 degree angle arrives from. When the sun is at 0 latitude, the part of the earth that is 90 degrees in front of the sun is exposed to sunlight at about 111 kilometer longitude. 111 kilometers to the left and right of the sunlight is skewed. When the sun moves southward from 0 latitude 90 latitude, a day of 6 months in the south, and 90 latitude 6 month night begin in the north. Similarly, when the sun moves northward from 0 latitude, the day starts at 90 latitude 6 months in the north and the night of 6 months in the south 90 latitude. Friends, this was the latitude, longitude, and light reaching the earth from the sun. Let us now practice on the sun whether the sun is big or the earth. This is the model of the sun and this is the earth. According to the astronomer, the sun is 110 times bigger than the earth. The diameter of the sun is 865,000 miles and the diameter of the earth is only 8,000 miles. Now we have to determine the size of the sun and how big the sun is. We can easily determine the size of the sun by the angle of light reaching the earth from the sun and the shadow of the things formed on the earth. Guess this is a model of the sun and this little earth. On 21 March and 21 September, when the earth is located between the sun 90 degrees north latitude and 90 degrees south latitude, where does the sunlight not fall directly and reach 8-degree angle. Surprisingly, such a large sun is not able to fully illuminate the tiny earth. Friends, even if the size of the earth is not equal to the size of the sun, there will be no shadow on the whole earth. When the sun will be at 90 degrees on that part of the earth on 21 March and 21 September. Experience it. You can take a book or box, install two nails on it. The distance between the two nails should be 4 inch. Light a 4-inch diameter rod on top of these nails so that the shadow of the nail will not form on the book. This experiment proves that the earth is 57 times bigger than the sun. Now let's practice on a model that proves to be a big sun from the earth. Friends, this is a model of sun. It has drawn a line in the middle of the sun and divided into two parts 432,500 miles north diameter and 432,500 miles south diameter. Mark the rays of the sun on the body so that it can draw angle of direct light to the earth. This is the model of the earth. The distance of one letter from the center of the sun is 33,000 miles. There are two lines, north and south, 66,000 miles of diameter light reaching the earth. The diameter of the earth is 8,000 miles. On 21 March and 21 September, even if the 8 planets are in front of the sun, there will be no shadow of anything on the earth when the sun is at 90 degrees. According to this practice, the sun is 4 times smaller than the earth because the direct light of the sun merges 111 kilometers of the earth. In addition to the right and left diagonal lightfall on the earth. According to astronomer, a small being revolves around a larger being. This practice and practical evidence proves that the sun revolves around the earth, friends, just as it is in the Quran and Hadith, that on the day of resurrection the sun will be damned and thrown into the sea. This hadith proves that the real sun is many times smaller than the earth. Practical evidence of anyone who should challenge me, I will come. Friends, subscribe and like this channel so that the video can reach you in time. I will be back with another video very soon. Goodbye till then.